Hello everyone. In this video we will explain how to use Excel Advanced Filter with multiple criteria. For example, if we need to filter this data according to branch and model or model and color. Let's see what we can do. First we will write our criteria as example branch. We need to filter Milan branch and Fusion model. We select our data range, then go to data, then select advanced filter. Select our criteria. Our data filtered according selected criteria. We can use subtotal function to sum sales value for filtered criteria. Now let's clear filter and try another criteria. We need to filter all modules except Fusion model. Let's add one more criteria. We need to filter only silver color. Let's filter our data with more than one branch. Write Los Angeles as example. I need only filter Explorer model. Now you can see that data filtered and only Explorer model for Milan and Los Angeles shown. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.